Hey everybody, we're back again. Today we're going to make a Black Forest microwave mug cake. These are really good. They don't take hardly any time to make. And what's good about them is they're individual servings. You just make one or two or however many you want. So, and as always, I'll put the little recipe down in the description, so don't worry about trying to write all this down. So we're going to start out with some Oreos in our cup. And what I did was I lightly sprayed this cup with a little bit of Pam cooking spray. And then we're going to put our milk in. We're going to break these cookies up real good. I like to use the Oreo double stuff cookies. They work best. Okay, now we're going to add our cocoa. Our baking powder. Our sugar, and our flour. Let's get this mixed up really well. There's several variations of this mug cake, but I personally haven't seen a Black Forest one, but I know they're good. We've made them before. Okay. All right. We've got everything mixed up pretty well. Let's add our cherry pie filling. You're gonna take another cookie, a whole one, put it on top. Let's push that one down. We got some dark chocolate chips. We're gonna put them on the top. We're gonna cut you back off. We're gonna put this in the microwave for about 1 minute and 35 seconds, and we'll come right back and show you what it looks like. All right, folks, there it is. It took exactly 1 minute, 35 seconds in the microwave. It puffed up really well. Of course, it's super hot right now, but it does look good. Let me kind of open it up a little bit for you. You'll see some cherries down in there. Hope you guys will give this a try. It's a very good dessert, easy to make. We will talk to you next time. I hope you guys have a good week. See you later.